Hey guys, welcome back to Forward Builds. And today hopefully I've got a quick video for you how to remove a rear lamp. I will show you how to remove the rear lamp on a W205 station wagon. This is a C400 AMG, but well, they're all pretty much the same, the C class. So if you have a problem with your headlamp, the one on the outer, which is on the rear quarter, follow this guide and you shall learn how to take this off. I've got to take mine off because mine has been damaged. First thing you need to do is actually get access to the lamp bolts from the rear. If you open up your boot, you'll have this cover in the back here. Now, I've taken this out just before. It is a pain in the butt to remove, I must admit. I'm not quite sure if mine has ever been removed. If yours hasn't, grab it from the right hand side and pull it. There's these three tabs that potentially you might need to use a screwdriver or maybe some sort of a trim removal tool to get this thing out. Now once you open this up, there's going to be three nuts that you need to take off. There's one there that you can see, one right there, they're all 8mm by the way. There's one right there behind this piece of trim, and there's one right above there behind this piece of trim. They're very hard to show you right now, but they are there. And there's obviously a plug that needs to be removed to the actual lamp itself. And the plug should be too hard to get off, so press it down from the top and pull it out. One of these tools, it comes in quite handy. Okay, so now next get yourself an 8mm wrench. Just need to undo it a little bit. They're actually not tight all that hard. So once you get it undone a little bit, you should be able to do the rest by fingers. Be very careful as you come up to the end because, well, it's easy to drop the nut down behind the trim. Alright, so let me get the three nuts undone. To this one right up the top here, I find that it's actually good to come in under the piece of metal where the plug was actually plugged into the lamp. There's actually a space in between. It's nice and easy to get in there. Also good to get a magnet prepared, just sitting on that nut, just in case. Okay, and there's that third nut. And now, our lamp should come out. Now I'm just going to push the lamp from behind. Okay, so there's one of these little knobby things right there that's holding it in that space there. Okay, so I've got my lamp out. I should be able to get the part number that I need to order and get a replacement. Okay, and here are the two bolts, one the top and the bottom that we couldn't see, that were hidden behind the trim along with the plug. Well, I hope the video proves useful to you. If you ever want to take off the station wagon W205 rear light. If you did like the video, please leave me a like, leave me a comment. Consider subscribing because it's going to help me and the channel out enormously to bring you more excellent content. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers, peace.